इंडिया हैज़ अ रिच ट्रेडिशन ऑफ गिविंग, लेकिन मॉडर्न फिलंथ्रॉपी अभी भी इवॉल्व कर रही है। तो मौजूदा समय में हम जिस तरह से लोक कल्याण के कामों को देख रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है उनमें क्या कमियां हैं, या फिर अगर हम कमियां ना भी कहें तो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो कि और बेहतर की जा सकती हैं?
I have seen like some phenomenal changes in India, the way the current government has done many things. The Prime Minister Modi ji, he brought this healthcare scheme, right, which is everybody has a 2 to 5 lakh rupees insurance. That is amazing. Like, you know, banking the unbanked, that we say in the blockchain space, India has tried to do that with Jan Dhan Yojana by bringing so many people into the banking this thing. And there again, like, blockchain can help expedite that. Whatever has been achieved in 10 years, blockchain can achieve it in like 1 week, actually, literally. कि वो सब लोगों के पास बैंक अकाउंट हो, just by connected to their Aadhaar cards, and government can disburse money directly to them in a matter of 1 week. This is not even like technology wise, it will not take that's how strong technology is. And coming back to your question कि how this should be done differently, BFI जिस तरीके के programs promote कर रहा है, for example, you know, people doing diagnostic, you know, new instrumentation in diagnostics. We have some people demoing their products also. You know, जो भी medical equipments हैं उसमें इंडिया में indigenous equipment बन सके, या फिर high end research में कि वो CRISPR techniques, genomics, इनसे based अगर जो लोग उस पर कर रहे हैं, उसमें एक startup अगर आपका बड़ा निकल जाता है इन सब में से, one startup can itself change the lives of millions and millions of people.